Listen. Today I am going to initiate all of you into ability to manage, handle the Vatavarana. The atmosphere. Understand? It's actually mixture of length, breadth, depth. All the three are involved in this Vatavarana. This is going to be most powerful, miraculous, one of the initiation you guys are going to see in front of your eyes. Once initiated, this Balasans now, in next 42 minutes, are going to bring rain in 100 places. They will bring rain in all their native places in next 1 hour, 42 minutes. In next 42 minutes, they will bring rain in all their hometowns, the places they are going to visualize in their, means now itself they will have to pen the place, an area, they will write it in paper and keep it under Krishna Shila. That area, it will start raining within next 42 minutes. You can call and confirm. You will see. All the Balasans, pick up the paper and pen, write your hometown or where your home is, the name, place, where you are going to bring the rain now. Put that slip under the Krishna Shila, visualize that place in the Krishna Shila and send a command, let it rain heavily with lightning and thunder. Till you just stop the rain. சொல்லும் வரை நிற்காது பெய்யட்டும். First pen down and keep the slip. Clearly visualize that whole area is being showered with rain, thunder and lightning.